and prove that when the most difficult of asks is made of him, he stands up and responds in the most extraordinary manner. Like the Honorable Prime Minister says, the victory is a result of सबका प्रयास. माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी से लेकर जो गांव में एक आशा वर्कर थी, this victory and this success goes to the common Indian who came together unitedly to fight this battle. The entire country came as one. However, all of us are aware that during the most difficult of times, when the entire nation came together, the opposition displayed to the country and to the world that they are morally bankrupt, they are vicious, and that they place the interests of their petty politics over the interest of the country. I do not want to go into the details that have been already repeated by earlier members. But sir, I just want to bring to the attention of this nation through the medium of this august house, the viciousness, the pettiness, the absolute moral bankruptcy that this country's opposition displayed. Our honorable member from the Congress party earlier was mentioning that Rahul ji was warning the country through his tweets that there will be an economic tsunami, that there will be millions of deaths, that this is a virulent virus. I say this with extreme frustration that Rahul Gandhi does not sound like a responsible leader of the opposition. He sounds more like a doomsday predicting witch doctor. And this is, it's a matter of utter shamefulness that this country's opposition has behaved in the most petty manner at a time when the country was facing a grave national crisis. So let us take the example of vaccination. बहुत सारे बात opposition parties ने बताया आज. From the day the vaccine issue was started in this country, the debate started. Every single leader of the opposition party, the important leaders of the Congress party, did their best to create vaccine hesitancy in the country. अखिलेश यादव ने बोला, दानी जी आप उत्तर प्रदेश से आते हैं, बीजेपी वैक्सीन कहा गया. I do not want to go into the details of the tweets that educated members like Shashi Tharoor ji, Chidambaram ji, the kind of vaccine hesitancy their tweets created. What did elected members, health ministers in Chhattisgarh, the elected health minister of Chhattisgarh created vaccine hesitancy in Chhattisgarh. Sir, sir, when you have made accusations, have the gumption to sit and take a reply. Have the gumption to sit and take a reply.
Honorable member, please address the chair. Kindly avoid the controversy.
Sir, vaccine के ऊपर इतना
kindly avoid the controversy. Please address the chair. Please sit down.
We are the only developing country in the world which has not one but two made in India vaccines. And sir, it is a testimony to the strength of India's scientific community.
Kindly avoid the controversy, please.
Sir, when the accusation is political, the answer has to be political, sir.
No.
Sir,
no, this is a COVID pandemic. You have to stick on the pandemic.
Speaker, sir, our country, अरे दानी जी सुनिए ना, दानी जी बैठिए सुनिए, मैं आपका पूर्ण भाषण सुना था.
दानी जी, please wait.
Sir,
please.
Sir,
we have a limited time.
Sir, I will try to be as brief as possible, sir, but these are answers
only
that young minutes. Of India must know.
There is only 5 minutes.
Sir.
So, within 5 minutes, yeah. Yes.
Sir, vaccine hesitancy against India-made vaccine, sir. Sir, discussion was going on about how countries in Africa are passing resolutions today demanding equitable distribution of vaccines. Can you imagine a situation if our scientific community supported by our Prime Minister had not come up with 2 indigenous vaccines, 2 made in India vaccines?
1 minute, 1 minute. There's honorable members. I have a long list of speakers. If the House agrees to time of this House, maybe extend by another 1 hour.
Thank you,
That
Speaker,
means
sir.
11:03.
Speaker, sir. I do not know what the Congress party has against made in India vaccines. I understand that they are very adverse to having made in India leaders in their party, but their hatred towards made in India vaccines costed the nation very dear, sir. Sir, even today, questions are being raised about the rate of vaccination in India. I just want to present before you and before this House, sir, of how politics has affected pandemic performance in